guys, welcome back to another video. And we have this person here who was looking at books. And anyways, we have this bag over there. You know what's in that bag? A bunch of paper airplanes, weird paper airplanes with all sorts of different wings. And we're going to take turns drawing out of here. And when you pick out a paper airplane, you have to fly it. And whichever one goes the farthest wins. And here. And it's not one of us winning. It's the paper airplanes winning. I'm going to draw first. I'm just going to take this paper right here. Okay, I got this one. Beatrice, didn't you make this one?
Yes, I think so. Wait, yeah.
Take one over here. I might have made this. I don't know. But anyways, this one has these wings at the back and then these wings going along this as well. Okay, now watch me fly it. You have to also be pretty good at flying paper airplanes. You have to start right here. Okay, let's go. Yeah, okay. If it goes negative feet, we beat you.
There, go. Alright, we'll just keep it there.
No, okay, hold on. Yeah, there's 3 stripes. Okay, good.
Okay.
Now you pick one.
Here, hold the camera gently.
Pick an airplane. Pick an airplane. Just pick an airplane.
Wait, look, it's eating. Yeah, I'm gonna go say hi to that.
Not now.
Can we do this later?
We just started.
Can
No.
we do it later, please?
No, we just started. Fine. I'll pause it then.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Continue on. Get that over with, guys. Now draw an airplane, please. Okay, you got that one.
I made this one.
No, I made this one.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I think that was a little bit of user error, but give me the film it. Your ball. Do I grab onto the ball and then fly it?
I don't really know.
No, that's a good enough answer. I don't think that really flew. I think I just threw it and it went down to the ground. Okay, now wait, you have to explain this one.
This one is cool.
It has the the pointy thing, and then it has little wings coming off of that. So yeah.
Okay.
So far the ball thing is actually in the lead.
3, 2, 1. Okay.
All right, a little bit of user error there as well. That one's right now in last place.
Okay. Wait, what? Is it?
I got this one with
Okay.
a tiny wing down here and a big
Oh,
wing.
I made that.
See?
Yes. Just gonna.
Well, the ball thing.
Yeah.
Give me this game. Explain it.
Oh, this one I made. It's like the triangle thing's the inside, and also it's on both sides. It's weird.
It's not really a plane because it doesn't actually have any wings.
Okay,
So.
whatever. Oh, I can make it have wings.
No, don't. That's how you made it. We can't remake the.
Okay.
All right. So far, we haven't really had any good ones. Yeah. I got this one I made. So it's this and then these wings on the back, similar to one of the other ones, but just fly it. Yes. 2 flappers. What if I try like this? Like upside down. I don't know if that's
Sure.
Okay, that's in last place. The ball thing is still in the lead. I think it's to the wind. Might be. Ah, I made that one.
Did you?
Yes.
This one has like small wings.
And at the top. All right.
How many more do we have?
That's a question that I don't know.
Hi, Bella. Wait, no, okay. Hi, Bella.
We're making a video now. Maybe when we're done. Okay?
No, Bella, you can just stay by me. Yeah.
That works. Okay, guys. For next one, I think I made this. I cut the wings. So
Yeah.
I think this one's gonna win. But only if the wind's not against us. No. The ball
All
thing's
right,
still
here.
in the picture. For some reason.
Bella, are you allowed on camera? I mean, people don't watch this. So. Okay, Bella. Hi.
Okay, wait. That's the regular one. That's
Oh.
the regular paper airplane. That's the regular one. That one's gonna win, unless it's user error. User error, I think.
Okay. Wee.
So, your square airplane. How is the ball thing in the lead?
I don't know. Okay. Well. We only have like 4.
Made a lot of like little ones that we have. No, you don't choose. You don't look.
Oh. Whatever.
No.
I
Your
made
little
this
your
one
little pointer torpedo doing some dag thing.
that you take. Okay.
Still doesn't beat the ball.
One more after this. Well, now this is the last.
Well, this is just paper crumble.
Yeah, that's mine. I made that.
Just paper crumble. Not even. Weirdly,
The ball won.
ball airplane. And so in second place we have this one. In third place we have this.
Fourth,
Fourth is this.
fifth,
Fifth is this. Wait. Sixth
Sixth,
is this. This is
seventh,
seventh.
eighth.
This is eighth. And this is this is ninth.
Ninth.
No, that's ninth. That's 10th. That's 11th. No, this is 11th.
11th.
That's 12th. And this is 13th.
13th.
So this is our worst contender. And anyways, guys, our big ass video. See you guys right back here in the very next one. Peace. Bye-bye. Ow, my nose. Peace.